What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Ballerina Cappuccina from Italian Brainrot. Let's begin today's lesson. In the center page, draw two large circles for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left from the very top. Go all the way around and then back up. Let's leave a large gap in between the eyes and draw that same size circle on the right. So I'll start by lining up the top, coming down towards the same height, and then back up. Now I want to pull the pupils towards the inside. So on the top left, let's draw an oval, going around, and then down towards the bottom. Do the same thing on the right. Along the top left side, add a small circle for highlight. Let's go back and fill the inside of the pupils in black, and we want to go around those highlights. Now I want to add some thick lashes going around and one point going out towards the side. So let's start from the top, taper this around towards the side, and then curl that up on the end. Let's pull this back down and in, and then bend this down and then in towards the side. And we'll fill those lashes in black. Now just up above the eyes, we're going to add a small curve for the eyebrows. Let's add some thickness, starting back on the outside, going up higher in the middle, and then back down towards the point. And we'll fill the eyebrows in black. Let's go in between the eyes and add the nose. We're going to start right in the middle with a curve going out toward the left, cross, and then in towards the bottom. Let's step down, add a small curve for the mouth, and then on the right side, add a bracket. Now we're going to go back up to the top and draw an oval for the inside of the cup. Let's start on the left side. Coming down, across the middle. I just want to round at the ends, go across the top, and then back out towards the left. Let's trace this top curve along the outside. So we're going to step out from the left, going up in the middle, across, and then down. Let's go back to the left side and draw the bottom of the cup. It's like a large half circle. Across towards the middle, and then pull that back up towards the right side. Let's add a simple detail inside the foam, starting in the middle with a point. We're going to draw a heart. We're going to go up, in, and then down. Go back to the center, go around the right side, and then down. Now we're going to go out to the side, going out and then in, around at the top. Just pull that back in towards a point. Let's do that one more time. Going around the outside, around at the end, and pull that back in. Now let's add the handle over on the right. We're going to start from the top, going up and out, come down at an angle, and then in towards the side of the head. And we want to trace that along the inside. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw the side of the body. We'll start over on the left side with a gap underneath the head. Bend this out and down towards the hip. Go to the right and do the same thing. Now from the hips, we're going to bend this in and then down toward the center point. From the top of the body, let's step down, curve this up, and then down in the middle. And then from the top of these two curves, add the strap, bend this up and then in. Let's stretch the arms out towards the side with the arm on the right a little bit higher. So we're going to start from the side of the body, bend this out and then up. Add the thumb, going out and then in. Let's add the first finger, going out and up. Bend this back in. Now I'm going to layer two more fingers in behind the top. Let's add that second finger. The third, blending this into the arm underneath the head. Let's take that same arm and flip it over on the left side, but aimed a little bit lower. So we're just going to line up the inside, down and out, add the thumb, and then the first finger. Bend this out, round this out, and pull that back in. Let's add two more fingers across the top, and then the third finger, blend into the arm, going up underneath the head. Now we're going to go back to the hips and draw the outside of the skirt, going up and then down. Let's add those ruffles across the bottom, starting on the left. Just going to add these little curves going across, coming down in the center. And we'll pull that up towards the right side. Let's go back to that center point, draw a straight line coming down, go out to the side, and bend these out. Now with the legs, we're going to have one leg coming down the center. So we start over on the right side, bend this down, and then in towards the middle of our page, towards the center of the toe, round out the foot, and then bend that up towards the heel. Let's round out the heel, and then go straight up underneath. Now from the heel, we're going to add a strap going across the ankle, so 2 curves, and then from the heel, add the edge of the slipper coming down, and then we'll bend that up. Now I want to take that foot, flip it over and lift it up on the left side. So we start up here, bend this out towards the toe, round out the toe, pull that in towards the heel, round out the heel, and then angle this up and behind. Let's add that strap from the heel going up with 2 curves, and then we'll draw the edge of the slipper, and then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's our Draw Ballerina Cappuccina from Italian Brainrot. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.